Hi guys, even if you are not a lover of yam, try this. It will amaze you. Let's get right into the video. I need just 1 tuber of yam for this. It can be bigger or smaller when you are making yours. I'll go ahead and peel it. And to all my returning subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you all. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead, subscribe. Be a part of this humble family so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified, and we'll upload this soon again. Sometimes you can buy yam and you experience just like what you are saying. The middle of it might not be too good. Don't throw it off. All you need to do, just peel it and take up the bad one from the middle. You can go ahead and make use of the left one, just like what you are going to be seeing on this video. Yes, I will not throw it away. I'll take the bad one off. I'll go ahead and make use of it. Please help me to share this video in all your platforms. Go ahead and like the video. I would also love to see your comment. What we are making today is yam ball. Oh my god, super yummy. Delicious, delicious. I believe after this video, some people might not like to eat the normal yam. They will prefer this method. I'll go ahead and raise it 2 to 3 times. Perfectly okay. The next thing I'm going to be doing, I will transfer it to the pot. So I'm going to be cooking it with 1 seasoning cube. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I'll add some salt, not really much. I'll add some water to cover it up. At this point, it's perfectly okay. The next thing, I'll allow it to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. When cooking this one, guys, make sure it's a bit soft. So while the yam is cooking, I'll go ahead and slice the parsley. Just slice it how you desire it. It might be big, it might be small. It doesn't really matter. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I will go ahead and grate this hot dog. I end up using 1. Instead of these 2 that you are seeing, I end up using 1. So instead of grating it, you can as well chop it with knife. I'll put it aside. I will go ahead and do this rough blended. Onions and Scotch Bonnet pepper is ready. I'll put it aside. Let's check our yam, guys. After 20 to 25 minutes, is perfectly okay, well cooked. I'll put it aside. I'll drain off the water. I'll transfer to any bowl. I think is perfectly okay, just like what you are saying. This is a potato masher. I will mash it a little bit. I'll go ahead and add the chopped onions and Scotch Bonnet peppers to it, the parsley, evaporated milk, little, a mixed spice, seasoning powder, a little, margarine, and a little also, a pinch of salt. Oh my god. This is Rico. When you are even frying this, all the nobody is just putting nose down. What is happening there? This is super delicious. I'll go ahead and use this ice cream scoop to scoop it to form ball shape. Mold it just like what you are saying. It does not take any time. And I'm going to keep repeating this until I am fully done. Can you see how it looks like? So I'll be doing this last one while I finish it off camera. Guys, I am done. So I'm using 4 eggs. You can use less than 4 eggs to avoid waste. So I end up having excess. So I'll just pass the ball on the beaten egg and I'll take it straight to breadcrumbs. At this point, guys, I have started preheating my oil. So this is how it goes. So once it's well coated like this, I'll put it aside. Just the same way you coat your okay, I'll repeat this until I am done also. So once I am done, I'll put it aside. As I earlier said, my oil, I've started preheating my oil. Make sure it's not too over hot, but at this point, it's perfectly okay. Start with a low heat. And know this again. When you are about to fry this, make sure you don't jump it, just like what you are saying here. This one is too much. So when you are frying this one is quite different from every other snacks. Make sure you do it bit by bit. It can be 4, it can be 5, it depends on the pot. So this one you are seeing, I'm supposed to fry it like 2 times. If it's too much, it can easily break and become like pieces. Well, and you might not like the end results, okay? So that is just that you need to know. Guys, our yam ball is ready. Can you feel this scent over there? Oh my god, this is super yummy. Really, really delicious, guys. Try it and let me know in the comment section below. Oh my god. In fact, let me enjoy it. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.